Hello everyone, this is the Samsung QLED 8K 65-inch television, model number Q800T. About a week ago, the television stopped turning on. There was no power, so I tried to plug the television into a different outlet, reset the circuit breaker, and I had no luck. The television is making a ticking noise, and the ticking noise occurs about every 10 to 15 seconds. It's coming from the power supply board. After doing some research online, I read that if you unplug the power from the power supply board that runs to the main board, the ticking noise stops, and you will see that the television actually does light up. So I believe that I isolated the problem to the main board. The part number for the main board is BN94-15245E. All of the boards, all of the Samsung parts start with the letters BN. So if you take your time and just look around each board, you'll be able to find the part number for each board. So in a moment, I'm going to unplug the power from the power supply board and then unplug the power that runs to the main board, then plug the power cord back in, and it should light up. Okay, so I unplugged the power running from the power supply board to the main board. This is the power right here, unplugged. And then I plugged the power cable back in to the power supply board, and the ticking noise has stopped. Also, I can see that there is light emanating from the television. You can see it there, you can see it here, and you can see it right here. It's all over. It's hard to see because it's daytime, but the television is now emitting light to the television. So I believe that I do have a bad main board. The part number is BN94-15245E. There's a number of places that do sell this board. It's not new, it's been pulled from a TV. They don't manufacture these boards independent of the television. So if you're lucky, you can find this part online. I've checked all the major vendors, including Samsung Parts USA, and nobody has this board in stock. You may have some luck on eBay, but they charge a mint. I think I found this board. The lowest price was $142, the highest price being over $800. So I've made the tough decision to just recycle this television through Best Buy, and I bought a new TV. So again, if you have a Samsung 65-inch Q800T television that has no power, the likely culprit is going to be the main board. So you can either swap this main board out if you can find one. If not, you're probably going to have to buy a new TV. Hope this video helps.